Your Chris 6 weather forecast.
Good morning. As you head out the door, we're getting the latest from the National Hurricane Center, a tropical update now. So you may have heard by yesterday, we had our first named storm of the season. By we, I mean our friends at the Eastern Pacific, not here in the Atlantic Basin, but still a reason of concern for us because this very small landmass right here, the skinniest part of Mexico, is where this storm is crossing. So that means this is going to become a problem for the Atlantic Basin here soon. This is now Tropical Depression Agatha, weakening thanks to the mountains here in Mexico, tearing the storm apart. You can see that with the clouds here just really kind of shredding, losing that counterclockwise organization. So that'll be moving over into the Bay of Campeche now. And as it crosses the Yucatan, or comes near it anyways, some of the spaghetti models, the pasta as I like to call it, showing that this, if it does develop, has a pretty good chance of moving toward Florida. Nothing set in stone yet, but that's the way things are trending at this point. And that's if it even does develop. But the National Hurricane Center, with their latest outlook, thinks over the next 5 days, there's about a 60% chance that this could, the remnants of Agatha, could emerge over the warm Gulf waters or the Caribbean Sea and then develop into a tropical system. So this would be still about a week out, with plenty of time to keep an eye on this. No need for us to worry or for any impacts really to be expected here other than maybe some rough seas at this point. Either way, it looks like a rainmaker for the Yucatan Peninsula and whatever drifts on over across Florida into the next couple of days. So we'll just keep an eye on it. If it does develop, the reason that it gets a new name is because it's falling all the way apart. This thing is getting shredded. So if it were to hold on somehow miraculously, it would keep its name. It would be Agatha in our basin, but that will not happen. So if it does develop, if its name would be Alex. So that's, again, about a week out. We're not going to worry about that right now, but we'll keep an eye on it as it continues to progress. And for us here, the worry is the wind. It's been such a windy, hot, humid kind of situation. The reason why it's so windy here in the coastal bend is because of this low pressure system over the plains and high pressure over the East Coast, really broad area of high pressure. So with those two big pressure systems battling it out there, we have the pressure gradient, and that's making things windy here across the coastal bend. So windy, hot, and humid. We are off to a very hot start here. Most of us near 80 degrees, but the feels like temperatures noted here in yellow closer to 90 degrees for some of our coastal communities. So it's a very, very warm start here, and it'll be a warm afternoon. Yesterday we only topped out at 90, and it felt just summer-like out there overall. So we expect another day like that today. The winds just a hair lighter as we go on into the afternoon. Here's your day planner in Corpus Christi. We'll quickly get up to those upper 80s by around noon. We'll be at 90 for the afternoon. Right after that high, I think today we'll reach 91 degrees here in Corpus Christi and then make our way down to those middle to lower 80s as we head on into the evening hours. And as far as this windy kind of situation, that continues into Wednesday, but looks to get a little better as we head on into tomorrow morning. The windiest time of day today is going to be into the peak of those afternoon hours. And as far as the humidity goes, yeah, it's not going anywhere. It's going to slowly inch its way down to slightly more tolerable levels as we head on into the weekend, but generally going to stay humid into the next couple of days. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Yeah, we are getting hotter for these afternoon high temperatures, but a drier heat as we work our way into this next weekend.